think we got a leak. You can see right in this area here. Yeah, see right there, right there. It's and then I don't know if any more below it or it's just leaking down from there. You can see on this side too, that same area. There's some kind of a small leak. I went ahead and bought the little kit. You get a bolt, spring, castle nut, and a cotter pin for each side. And it's not easy to get to. See if I can get this side. What you kind of have to do is just lift the weight off and get it where you could see, like I could see the floor, and there. Then you put the spring on, then the nut, and you just tighten it tight enough to where you can get the cotter pin through. I'm going to take a socket underneath here and turn the bolt so I can get the cotter pin through. There it goes. Just enough so it won't come off. Okay, I wanted to just bring you in here and show you what this radiator mount setup looks like up underneath here, which is going to be hard to see on camera. The bolt goes from the bottom through this frame cross support, and there's a little rubber pad. See a little rubber pad right there. And then the radiator has a welded on or riveted on mount right here. And then over the bolt, you put the spring, castle nut, and the cotter pin to lock it. And you can see you don't squeeze the spring down totally. This just enables when these frames flex on the road, and radiators don't flex. So this gives the ability for the frame to deflect and flex a little bit without breaking the radiators. So the other side, same setup. You just have a spring nut on top and then the cotter pin. And you can see that it's just a few threads down on the bolt itself. Then I went ahead and mounted the radiator so I could run it longer. And all right, everybody, like and subscribe and take care.